Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the best side markers you guys can get for your Honda Civic, and I definitely think these are the clear winner here. These are going to be 911 style side markers for your car, so it's going to look similar to the Porsche 911. I chose the amber ones, but you can get full LED. They just make the car look really aggressive when you have your lights on, and then when you have them turned off, they're just smoked on the side of your car, which gives a really clean look anyway compared to the regular fully orange ones. The whole reason I got amber was because in California it is required to have an amber light on the side of your car. So anyway, now we can see, if I have my lights turned off, what the side markers are going to look like. So now with the lights turned off, we got a nice smoked look. No full orange ones, and I really like how it turned out. It matches the whole theme I got going with the black and silver. Just an overall really clean look for the Honda Civic. If you guys are looking at installing the side markers, I did record installation, but I did lose the video file, so I'll show you real quick. You just got to pull this piece back right here once you remove those two screws on the bottom, and there's going to be a clip back there. I'll show you guys a little picture of what the clip looks like, but basically all you have to do is push it in and it'll pop out for you. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think about these side markers in the comment section down below. And if you guys are interested in purchasing these, I will leave a link in the description down below, and you guys can go ahead and buy those. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.